Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL5. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Experiencing Valorant Error Code VAL5 can be frustrating, but here are some steps you can take to resolve it. Step 1. Basic troubleshooting. Check server status. Visit the Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the servers. Restart your devices. Restart your PC and router to ensure there are no temporary connectivity issues. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. Step 2. Advanced fixes. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. Type net WinSock reset and press enter. Restart VGC service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. Find the VGC service, right-click it and select Properties. Set the startup type to automatic and click Start. Reinstall Vanguard. Open Control Panel and go to Programs and Features. Find Weird Vanguard, right-click it and select Uninstall. Launch Valorant to reinstall Vanguard automatically. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.